Happy Tuesday. It's Tasting with Tanna and Daniela.
Hi.
We have this winter edition Red Bull. It is Fuji apple and ginger. We're gonna give it a little taste.
I'm kind of nervous.
Me too.
I like Red Bulls, but I don't know if ginger and Fuji. I mean, Fuji apples are good.
It smells like apple. I don't smell ginger.
Maybe apple cider.
Taste the wings. You taste the apple and then the ginger after.
I feel like I don't taste ginger at all.
A little bit in the end. You have to move your tongue like that in order to taste it. When you swallow it, go like that. And you can taste the ginger. You taste it?
No.
Oh,
No, I
gosh.
don't.
Okay, we're going to do a burp for you guys. Ready?
Oh, God. Wait.
Suck in the air.
Hold on.
You have to burp in the camera.
Oh, sorry.
Show the people your burp.
Hold on.
Oh, that was a good one. See, once I get started, my tummy starts hurting.
Your tummy's like, I can't stop. Like if I
Nope, it's coming. It's brewing. That's it. Okay.
I got no more.
I give it a 10. That's really good. I
gave
like
it-
apple.
I give it 8.5. 8.5. It's
Okay.
good, but